You are going to love the 2020 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.